So, how to create a Bool toggle. First, you're going to click your avatar, and then under Inspector, we're going to scroll down until we find FX. If it's not there, you'll see Playable Layers, which you can then just bring the drop-down menu for. You'll double-click on the FX, which will bring you to your Animator tab, which if you don't have, you can go up here to Window, Windows, and then Animator. Then under Parameters, we're going to click this little plus button right here and select Bool. Name this Bool whatever you want. Then we're going to go over here to Layers on this Layer tab. Again, pressing the plus button up here, naming it. Unfortunately, I can't see it. Then we're going to scroll down, and then this little gear icon we're going to click, and then change the weights to 1, either dragging or typing in 1 over there. Once we're done with that, we're going to over here in this little grid area, right-click, Create State, Empty. Now this will be your default state, meaning starting from entry, this will be the first state it will be. And we're going to leave that as the idle so it doesn't do anything. Then right-clicking, pressing Create State, Empty again. You can name this whatever you'd like. Then you can drag in an animation here that you want to play. Then we're going to right-click the first state, make transition, over to the second one. Select this little transition area here, and we're going to press this little plus button. Under conditions, we're going to scroll down to the Bool toggle we made, and we're going to have it so once this Bool is true, it'll go to this second state here. Now we're going to do the same thing, make transition back to our idle, click on it, plus, select our Bool, and change this to false. So now when true, it'll transition over to our second state, and then once false, it'll transition back to our idle state, no longer playing the animation. Next thing we'll do is go over to parameters, again, clicking our avatar, scrolling down in our inspector, and finding under expressions, parameters, right click, select add, make sure this is a bool by bringing down the drop down menu, and typing in the exact same bool we made in our FX. Make sure the spelling is correct because that is key to making sure it works. Then we are going to go down here again in our inspector after clicking our avatar and go to main menu. We're going to add a control, name this what you want, and you have the decision of making it a button or a toggle. Again, I'm going to just make it a toggle. And then under parameter, we're going to select our bool we made. And that is all.